So how to download the MySQL? Again, I'm showing to you. Okay. So follow me now. So first, open your Google. I will share the screen. So very first, you just MySQL download. Give the MySQL download. Okay. Press enter. In this, see here, MySQL downloads. The first one. Click here. This path. Okay. Are you following everyone?
Yes.
Now here, click on the downloads option. Okay. In this customer download, click on customer. Wait here. What is here? Click on customer download. Can you able to see my this websites and all? Whatever I am navigating. Yes or not?
Yes, we can see.
Yeah. No. Actually, this is not our site. Right. MySQL. In this community is there, no? Where is this community? Yeah, here MySQL community downloads. Click on here. Okay, because so many are there, we are getting confused. So click on MySQL downloads. Click here. Okay, in this MySQL community server, click on MySQL community server. Now simply this one, installer MSI. Go to the download page. Click on the go to download page. So you have to download automatically, that will be downloaded. After then give the double click. Okay, for suppose click on this download. No thanks. Here it is asking sign up and all. No need. No thanks. Just start my download. Now see, it's going to download. I told already, but little bit you can't identify the software among this MySQL website. See how much clumsy it is. So many softwares are there. Which one is the right? You don't know. Okay, no problem. Now this is correct. Show in folder. Yes, see here this icon. Wait, I will share. I will share. See, after downloading, open the folder. Means see, everyone, did you get like this? Can you able to see my this icon MySQL installer web community 8? Yes or no? Respond anyone?
Yes, sir.
Now double click. Now say preparing to install. I don't want to install this one because already I have. Okay, so after then it is prompting some messages, next. Maybe do you have any doubt, ask me. Maybe it will take 5 minutes only for installing. After then you have to restart the computer. If you have any don't do anything, maybe it will ask only password. Now press with chicken wing here. I will remove. I told that your name should be there, proper profile name should be there, decent names. How can I know? For suppose if I take the attendance and all, can I write chicken wing here? Where is this chicken wing? I unmuted, you have to talk, otherwise I will remove you. What is your name? I want to know your name. Write on the chat box, otherwise. Chicken wing, mutton wing. Huh? Those are not the names for the profiles. You put it at your Facebooks and all, not here. Now write down your name on the chat box. I will enable the chat. Otherwise, I will remove. And this is very important topic. If you miss out, means your project will it will go.
My name is
Tell me.
Samantha.
Who is the worldwide here? Okay. Did you install the? Is it getting installed or not? Anyone respond, please? And next time I won't say this type of names worldwide. Young Boki. What are these names? How can I know you are whether you're right person and all? Next time I will remove. This time only I'm warning you. Next time these profiles will be removed without intimation. Okay. Anyone installed the MySQL? Do you have any queries? Means ask me, please. Yeah. Anyone installed the MySQL software?
It's installing. It's taking time.
Okay. And don't do any modification. Just click next, and maybe it will ask you a password. give the normal simple password. Okay, don't give the lengthy password. Why? Because that password again we have to use in our programming. That's why maybe DMIS123, that should be, you can remember. In such a way you have to give the passwords, because that is not the uh, personal protection and all. This is for own application, no problem. Give the normal simple passwords. Everyone give the DMIS.123. This is our lab password. Give it that one, so that we can easily remember. If you again forget, means again you have to uninstall. So much headache is there. So give the normal passwords and all, which are rememberable. Yes, previously I will share the slides. What you have done. So after installed, you have to restart your computer. Okay, otherwise some of the components won't work properly. You can't identify also afterwards why it is not functioning with. So this is the best technique. Whenever you install the new software, you have to restart it. So whatever automatically the changes getting replaced, updated automatically, that will be taken. Now see here, previously we have done this MySQL connection. We get the Python path. So we went to the ideally browse paths are there. In that in that we have taken the path. Accordingly we traverse that. After then we went to up to the scripts. Okay, so keep on moving C colon users Srinivas. First I open the C drive. After then I open the users. After then I open the Srinivas until Python 3532. After then I open the scripts. So that after then I gave the right click on the extreme right of the address bar, so that I can easily know the path of the Python. Copy. After then I will place it in the MS Word. Okay. So after then what I have done, uh, I just give the, I want to store permanently in the environment variable, so that I use this setx path equal to this one. After path C colon Python is your own path, that is different from different user. Okay. After setting my path, I have to know that whether it is stored in the environment variable or not. So by what is that, echo. Yes, echo percentage path means I can easily see whether my path is set it in the environment variables or not. Okay, now it is showing. So that means successfully I stored this path in the environment variable, so that next time onwards, whenever you're switching on the computer, no need to give these steps and all. No need to follow these steps. Permanently, it will be stored. Whenever we give the pip and all, system easily understand. Whenever you hit the pip means, so it will go to that path, and accordingly, whatever the software, whatever the files will be there, that will be loaded. For that purpose, you have to install the path. This is also our, okay. Next one, this is about second way of finding the you have second way of storing the your path in the environment variables. That is, right click on the PC properties, click on the environment variables, click on the new. Okay, after then you copy the path and all, click OK. After then restart. Now up to now path is defined in your system. Now you want to install. Now you, whatever the commands you are going to give, a system can respond easily. Why? Because already saw pip installer, already whatever the files of pip installer where it is loaded, the system knows the location. That is the meaning of the path and all. System knows the location and all, so that whenever you give the corresponding command, it will go there and it will execute. That's why path is needed. Okay. Now after we have given this command Python m pip install upgrade pip. That means whatever the pip version is there, that will be upgraded. Next step, this one pip install mysql.connector. Up to now this is over. Okay, I think your MySQL is getting installed. Yes or not? Completed?
Yes, sir. It's taking time. You
It's
have to
taking
choose
time.
stuff. Yeah, you have to choose stuff.
Oh, okay, no problem. Let it be, and we'll go for further. I will just explain there. First, what is the connection statements I want to explain. See here, I will show this. Before that, this is a small code. You want to get the records from your MySQL. Simply, I will run. Just see the output. Can you able to see my screen? Yes or not?
Yes, sir, we can see the screen.
Now see here, just I'm giving run. Now see, these records are in my MySQL actually. 4 records are there. Okay. Now this is nothing but because connection is established. After the connection is established, it will have the connection with the your MySQL, and it will connect with your actual database. After then, in the database particular table will be linked, that whatever the rows and all there, that will be displayed. Okay, so first what I have done means I just opened MySQL. I create one table. So okay, you remember the password. Okay, now yes, I'm sharing this. This is the MySQL. Okay, now what I'm doing, simply my I want to change to my database. This is my database. Okay, after then I created the one table. So in that, what is the records are there, I will show you. Select star from uh sims, huh? No, that is what the table. Gym2. Select star from sim2. So these are the records. See here, 100 Kamal male, 200 Tarak, 300 Suresh. Now same records are displayed or not. I will run it again one more time. I will show it to you. Okay, you already same 4 records are there. Now I will run this program. See here, same Kamal, male, Tarak, Suresh. What? Okay, these records. Okay, so first now you have to understand this. Very first, you have to import the mysql.connector. Okay, so because all the files, all the predefined libraries, everything is available in the connector. So if you want to make it available for our program, for our IDE, now I am writing the IDE here, IDLE only, editor only I am writing. So you have to make it all the components available, MySQL components. You are accessing the database, you are accessing the tables, you are writing the queries, all these things. So if you want to make it work means, definitely you have to import the mysql.connector. Okay, after then see here, con equal to mysql.connector connect. This is a statement to connect our database. Local host, what does it means you have to tell to the location of MySQL. Okay, now I am in the ideally Python environment. I am. You want to use the environment of MySQL. So you have to define that local host is just like a port number. So in our body we have different parts, legs, hands, and all. So hands has a different port. That means what? Whatever the commands from the whatever the command that are given by the mind, that will be reached to hands port. Okay, here one joint is there, that is port. Like that, if you want to access the database, they will communicate at one central place. That place is nothing but localhost. Indirectly, we can say that location of both the locations of Python and also MySQL. They have to know their locations and all. So if you give localhost, automatically they knows their location, each other. So for that purpose, you have to go for you have to write host equal to localhost. After then, I told that, yeah, this is the MySQL place. This is the location of MySQL. All files are available here. Like that, I gave the hint using this localhost. Now my program easily communicate with the database. So after database, you have to access the database. So you have to give the password or username. Default username is root. Okay, and password. Whatever the password you gave, that is the password dmis.123 for me. And the database, what database you are using. So my database is student. So this is the first connection statement. If it is success, means maximum 90% problem is over, program is over. So that's why I want to get the message. Once after running the statement, if we get the message connection established, means yes, without any errors, the connection is established, the both ends, front end and back end. Now see here, localhost defines the location of the MySQL and all. After defining everything, you have to access the database. For that, you have to give root and you have to give the username and password. Root is the default user, password is the my password, and database name. Okay. Now open your systems. Now I think that is completed or not?
Yes, sir.
Now
My computer.
now open MySQL. Now simply what you want to do now, we have to create one we have to create one gym2. You have to create one table called gym2. Okay, so I describe this so that you also create the like this only. Describe gym2. Little bit faster. I have to complete these three CRUD operations now. So my part is over. If it is completed, my part is over. Your part is you have to explore how to do this school management, library management, okay, hotel management, hotel billing system, maybe hotel billing system, school management in the sense, don't go for all the functionality and routine. Just you have to go for the core functionality. Just you are just um, generating the reports. That's enough. That means generating a report card is enough. Okay. Yeah, now this is the description for the gym2. So using this only how to create. Do you know how to create or not? I will write it. You can write along with me. Did you open your SQL editor? Yes or not? Only 15 members are there. This is very important. I told some of them are absent. Huh? Okay.
Sir, can you unlock the meeting? Please join.
Why actually they have to join at stipulated time, na? Yeah, I unlock. Now create this table gym2. So create. I'm writing here. You are also follow me. Create gym2. Okay. Press sorry, gym2 mode integer of 6. Integer of 6. After then name name varchar of 20. Okay, after then gender varchar of 20. Gender varchar of 20. Varchar of 20. Okay, that's it. Semicolon. Hit the enter. Yes. Anyone created this table? If you create means, please tell to me. Created?
Sir, I have a problem with downloading MySQL in my system, so I will download it tomorrow, like next class, because I can't.
Yeah. Anyone is downloaded MySQL till now? No one is there.
I will write the syntax down.
No. At least one person also not there. Without with you using already you have to install before only. I'm thinking that you are installing. Why? Because we are practicing this one since 11th onwards, na?
I
Yeah. Anyone has the SQL in your systems? Tell me, anyone? MySQL. Okay.
Loaded it. I'm making the table.
Yeah. You have the MySQL.
Yeah, I just downloaded it.
Oh, you downloaded and now itself you installed, huh?
Yeah.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Carry on fastly. Yes. Type the query this. After typing, you let me know. Amen. Amen is there. Two members absent today. Who are the two members? Sufyan absent. Sufia is present. Sufyan is absent. One more.
Sir, I'm present.
Sufyan, you are present?
Yes, sir.
Sufia, both are there? Sufia and Sufyan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. But it is not showing here. Only Sufia only is showing. Where is Sufyan here? Nabil, Nihla, Umayn, Ashra, Habiba, Jonathan, Johanna, Afra. Ifa is absent today? Ifa only?
I'm present.
You are present. Then who is the two members? Tell me now. You have to trace out, na? Unnecessarily, if I give the absent for presented members, means that is not good. Who is the two persons? Two persons? Palak, Afra, Sufia, Tasnim, Palak, Aman. Dana is there?
Yes, sir, she's there.
Then who are the absentees? Can you tell me?
Sir, Shamika isn't here.
Ah, very good. Shamika. Okay, one more. Okay. Now, can you, anyone executed this query? Aman? Aman? Okay, now execute this query. After then, insert the records like this. 100 Kamal mail. So I'm just removing why, because already it is there. If I hit the enter, I'll get the error. So insert into Chimto values. So give the same 100 Kamal double quotes. After then, mail. Okay. Hit the enter. Automatically one record is inserted. Who has done? Let me know. So already I told that how to download the MySQL, at least get ready with tomorrow. Otherwise, this is problem for you. You couldn't able to do the project. Once you don't install the connection, if you don't connect with the front end and back end, this somewhat again problem for you. I'm telling to you. Okay. Okay. Tell me who inserted the first record. Raise your. Let me know that. Who inserted the first record? No one is there? Okay. So I will show the first this one. See here. You follow this code. So very first, don't go for all these things. Just I'm commenting. So very first, the two steps are important. After executing the two steps, then only there is a use. Otherwise, it won't. Any problem is there means connection won't be established. So connection won't be established means what? We can't get it all these things. So first two statements, take the first two statements, write down. This is important for you. Write down in your notebook. You can write full. Okay, na? Now just I'm executing this only two statements, and I will show it to you what message you are getting. Remaining I want to comment it so that it won't be executed. Yeah.
Is it called MySQL community server?
Yeah, community server. Okay, now you have to concentrate on this. Okay, no need to concentrate on the MySQL part and all, leave it now. Tomorrow you have to get ready with that, no problem, but this is important. Now what you want to do now, you have to note it down all the statements. First see this how it is, whether it is connection is established or not. I'm just running just two statements only running. Why? Because this part is important. Now see, I got the, I'm sharing this screen. Now see, I got the message connection established. That means what? Front and both are connected. Then only remaining parts will be, remaining statements will be executed. Now I'll move to rest of the statements. So if you want to test means, don't go for all. You write full statements, but you have to comment all the statements. First you go for this execution. These two statements are correct. Okay, sorry, that connection, whenever the connection statement is executed properly, automatically remaining will be executed. So test for this statement. Okay, now I got connection is established. Now what I want to do, simply I will remove my comments so that rest of the part will be executed. Otherwise unnecessarily you will get the errors and all. You don't know which error for which instruction. This is the good one, you have to maintain like this only. Now note it down all. Note it down all the statements in our notebook. After installing, you try all these things again. This day, this is the homework for you. I will tell you this statements now. My connection is established now. Okay. Now you have to know what is the cursor. A cursor is a statement, is a method which always interact with the table. Okay. In the table, the records will be there. So if you want to get touch or get connect with the table means, definitely you have to have the cursor. That's why you have to call the cursor like this. So cursor equal to con.cursor. So whatever the functionality of how to identify the table, how to connect the table, all the code will be written in the con.cursor. Con means nothing but connection. So first you access the database. After then you access the table. That's the meaning. Convert cursor means now database, you got the database connection. After then you have to connect the particular table and all. So that will be done. Already you have given the database name also, student. Okay. Okay. Now convert cursor means, yes, how to interact with the table. So for that you have to create this method con.cursor cursor. Now all methods are there in the cursor object. This is the cursor object. Now with that object you have to execute. See here, cursor dot execute select star from gym2. What does it mean? So it executes this statement, select star from gym2. Now all the records are available in the cursor. Now after executing this statement, okay, so all the records are available in the cursor. So you have to fetch all the records and store it in the result. Okay, now all the records are in the result. After, okay, now all the records are in the result, you have to show the result. For that, for rows in result, just for I in result, how you are doing na? Just meaningfully I am giving the rows. You can give the I also, no problem. For rows in result, print rows. So automatically the rows will be displayed. Okay. What is this?
So what is after DMIS 123?
Wait. DMIS 123 after database name. Okay, I will make it here down. Huh? Yes. Do you have any queries, miss? Please ask me in this regard. This only two statements you have to, very simple connection and all. Okay. You have to know this connection. This is the connection object, so that because of this one only connection will be established. Okay. So in that you have to give the particulars where the your MySQL is installed. That is done by localhost. Okay. You are telling the define the, okay, in this location. No need to give the description part. Give the localhost. Localhost will taken care, and it provides information to the connection. Okay, that is the meaning of localhost. Okay. After then give the root TMIS123 password database. Now if it is there means perfectly the database name is correct, then only the you will see the message connection is established. For checking purpose I have written myself this statement. Otherwise I don't know na, if the errors are coming or not, I have to know. Successfully executed means okay, the database name is perfect, everything is perfect means I can easily see this message. After then I have to interact with the tables and all. You have to write this cursor. Now you want to execute anything means with the help of cursor only you have to execute. So execute is the function. Whatever the statement is there, now it is select statement. Maybe in this update statement, maybe in this delete. That statements will be executed in this. Okay, na? Okay. Now after executing, all the tables will be displayed in the cursor object. So from the cursor you have to fetch. So you have to fetch and I will store it in the result. Okay. So I have all the rows in the result. How can I show the result? Means simply rows, for rows in result print rows. So automatically all rows will be getting printed. Now see here I have to know how many rows are there. So already I know that already I told that all the rows are available in the cursor. Simply you call the row count function, cursor dot row count, records are there. This is my own message. So 4 records are there means 4 records are there. 5 records are there means 5 records are there. This message will be printed. Next, this one on it. After then, whenever you open the cursor, you close the cursor and all. That means whatever the table is open, that will be closed in the database. Otherwise, maybe accidental deletions are taken place means that will be affected for the table. That's why I'm using cursor dot close. Whenever your my function is over, I have done. Then just simply cursor dot close. You can close the con dot connection also. You can close, no problem. Con dot close. That's it. So for today you have to take this full notes. These are very important, and this will be repeated. These statements will be repeated. Now what is the homework for you means you download the MySQL, install it. After installing, create the one table gem. Already I told. Okay. After insert the 1 or 2 records. After then go to the editor, type all these things and check the output whether whatever the records are there that is shown or not. Yes.
Can
Yes,
you install the PowerPoint on the portal?
PowerPoint. Yeah, I will do it. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Before that, you have to note it down this one. Okay, na? Maybe today is it possible or not? I don't know why, because after I have to uploading this one again. My HOD has to publish this. Okay, that depends upon him or her also. That's why it is not published. It means again you have to face the problem. That's why mandatory this one you have to do this. But I will
do this. Where should we do this?
you have to write it on your otherwise it is better to write in the ideally. No need to execute, save it. Two in one we can use in two in way. At the time if you want to execute, you can execute. Okay, for reference also you can use it. Directly open the ideally, type it as easily.
That is after doing that pip thing that we did yesterday.
Yeah. Okay, maybe today definitely I will upload this PowerPoint so that you can easily understand. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Just
Have a
one
nice
minute.
day.
So 1 minute. Don't close it.
Yeah. But make sure that your MySQL should be installed, and also you have to type this code in our IDLE. Try to don't execute all the statements. I told already na, how I am commenting up to here. Simply comment it. It won't be executed. Otherwise, so many errors will come. You don't know that errors and all. So first part, whenever you giving the connection, whenever you write the code for the connection, first of all make sure that connection is established or not. First step, that one. After you get the message successfully, yes, connection is established, then remove the comments and all, then one more time you run it. So strictly you have to practice this one. This is very important because project you have the 8 marks. Okay, tomorrow maybe I will conclude the project work and all. Just I will give the CRUD operations. Okay, and I will give the sample, some of the projects also I will show you, so that this 2 months you have to do this effort and all. Thank you. Have a nice day. I'm closing. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
can I have your email? Can I have your email? Because like we'll have doubts during the summer break, so we can like mail.
Yeah, I'll give. Okay, I'll give tomorrow. No problem.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Stop sharing and okay.